What is it, guys? Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to test your microphone in Windows 10. So on the right side, you can see this speaker-like thing, which is a speaker icon. Right-click on this and then click on Sound Settings. After clicking on Sound Settings here, scroll on a bit and then you will see your inputs. So from here, let's say if you choose the headset, and when you click on it here, you will see the dynamic bar which is increasing and decreasing according to your voice. And from here, you can see all the input devices that are connected to your computer. After you click on this microphone array here, you will see about all the settings of this microphone array. And this is the external mic that I have connected. So just click on this once and this, as you can see, this device is currently in use. Charging any properties during use may cause audio application issues. So if the device isn't in use, you can check it or test it, and here you will see the input volume. I can just decrease and increase this volume according to my vision requirement. And then here are the format channels. So I will just keep it like this. And this is how you can enable your audio system, or you can check your audio microphone in Windows 10. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.